Tesla advertises EPA estimated ranges, but your actual mileage will likely differ. This video shows you how to calculate a more accurate range based on real-world conditions. Learn why EPA estimates often don't match your driving experience and what factors to consider for a better estimate. We'll cover the crucial elements that impact your Tesla's range. The fundamental formula to estimate your Tesla's range is range equals battery capacity in kilowatt hours times efficiency factor divided by energy use per mile in WEB per mile. For example, a Model 3 long range with a 75 kilowatt-hour battery using 250 watt-hours per mile at highway speeds will achieve roughly 300 miles compared to its EPA-rated 358 miles. Let's delve deeper into how to determine each of these values accurately. Battery capacity is typically 75 kilowatt-hours for the long-range model. Efficiency factor accounts for driving conditions, while energy use per mile varies by speed and terrain. Tesla's onboard computer uses your driving history to predict range, accessible via the touchscreen. This personalized prediction considers your typical driving patterns and efficiency. You can view the current range estimate on the touchscreen, which shows the miles available based on battery level and recent usage. The navigation system provides live range estimates as you drive, showing how far you can go under current conditions. Since late 2025, the trip planner integrates real-time traffic and weather data to dynamically adjust range forecasts, helping you plan routes with charging stops. To minimize range anxiety, regularly check these tools during trip planning. Look at the estimated range at your destination and factor in charging stations along the route. Enhance your range calculations with third-party apps like TeslaMate or online calculators such as EVDB. TeslaMate is a popular third-party app that provides detailed tracking and analysis of your Tesla's data. EVDB is an online calculator that allows you to input specific variables to estimate your Tesla's range. These tools allow you to input specific variables like temperature, speed, and load. Based on your inputs, they generate custom range estimates. For example, in cold weather at highway speeds with passengers, your range might be around 280 miles. The apps use these factors to calculate how they affect your battery consumption. This helps you predict your Tesla's capabilities under specific conditions, like driving in winter. Real-world range varies significantly from EPA estimates. A 2025 case study of a Model Y owner in Colorado shows 280 miles of range during winter highway driving at 65 mph, compared to the EPA's 326 miles. Freezing temperatures of -10°C and snowy conditions reduced efficiency by about 14%. Early 2025 Cybertruck launch trials demonstrated similar variability. During a 300-mile drive from Los Angeles to Las Vegas in hot desert conditions at 90°C, drivers achieved 250 to 270 miles per charge. Air conditioning and off-road terrain reduced the range by about 15 to 20% compared to the EPA estimate. A comprehensive 2024 Edmunds study tested 50 Tesla models across various U.S. climates and found that real-world range averages 85% of EPA estimates. In mild weather, this improves to 90%, while severe cold reduces it to 75%. This highlights how environmental factors significantly impact actual performance. These real-world examples underscore the variability in Tesla range and the need for personalized calculations that account for specific driving conditions, weather, and terrain. Experts at Inside EVs note average energy consumption of 250 to 300 watt-hours per mile for Teslas, with statistics showing a 20% range loss in winter conditions. Tesla CEO Elon Musk anticipates 10 to 20% range gains from upcoming battery technology improvements. Future trends include AI-driven energy management and solid-state batteries, aiming for 500-plus-mile real-world ranges by 2030. Monitor expert reviews and Tesla updates for the latest data on range improvements. To maximize your Tesla's range, adopt eco-friendly driving habits like smooth acceleration and regenerative braking. Precondition your battery in extreme temperatures to maintain efficiency. Maintain optimal tire pressure at around 30 psi for better efficiency. Minimize unnecessary weight by removing extra cargo. Regularly check your WEMI consumption and adjust your driving style. Plan your trips carefully using Tesla's Trip Planner for accurate range estimates. Utilize superchargers strategically for quick charging stops.